Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt completely frustrated because your face doesn't seem to match the rest of your body? You can have an incredible physique, a great sense of style, and a sharp personality, but if your face looks soft and puffy, it throws everything off. If you look at any major physical transformation, the one thing that completely changes how a person is perceived is their facial structure. The bone structure underneath didn't magically change or morph into something new. What changed was the layer of adipose tissue and excessive fluid sitting on top of those bones. The problem is that the internet is flooded with absolute garbage advice on how to fix this. People are chewing on rubber balls until their teeth hurt, trying weird facial yoga, or buying gimmick products that literally do nothing. Today, we are putting a stop to the nonsense. I am going to walk you through the 5 scientifically proven, biology-backed methods to permanently strip away face fat and reveal your true jawline. Let's dive in. Step 1. Eradicating facial edema. Before you even think about losing actual fat, we need to talk about the water your face is hoarding right now. In the medical world, this is known as edema, but you probably just call it bloat. When you consume high amounts of dietary sodium from junk food or processed meals, your body desperately holds onto water to maintain homeostasis. Because the skin on your face, especially around your jaw and eyes, is relatively thin, this water retention shows up there before anywhere else. It makes a relatively lean person look like they're carrying an extra 10 pounds of pure fat. So, how do we biologically hack the system and flush the water out? It sounds entirely backward, but you must drink significantly more water. By drinking a minimum of 3 liters of pure water every single day, you signal to your kidneys that water is abundant, causing your body to release the trapped water through your urine. Pair this aggressive hydration with a sharp decrease in processed sodium and 7 to 8 hours of high-quality sleep. Do this strict protocol for exactly 7 days. I guarantee your jawline will look sharper. Step 2. Systemic adipose reduction. Let's talk about destroying actual facial fat. I need you to understand a hard physiological truth. Spot reduction is a biological myth. You cannot isolate fat loss to one specific area of your body. There is no jaw exercise, chewing gum routine, or magical facial workout that will burn fat exclusively from your cheeks. However, facial fat is intrinsically linked to your overall systemic body fat percentage. The face is the absolute first place that fat melts away from when you drop your overall body fat. That is exactly why you see someone lose just 10 pounds and suddenly they look like a runway model. Their bone structure didn't grow, it was simply unveiled. To trigger this systemic fat loss, you must place your body into a moderate caloric deficit. Do not starve yourself. Calculate your maintenance calories and drop that number by just 300 to 500 calories a day. Prioritize high-quality protein to protect your lean muscle mass and engage in heavy resistance training at least 3 to 4 times a week. Step 3. Annihilating systemic inflammation. You might not have excess face fat. Your body might just be severely inflamed. 3 major lifestyle destroyers cause this: excessive alcohol consumption, chronic cortisol from stress, and a lack of deep REM sleep. Cut back drastically on alcohol. Implement active stress management, whether that means meditating, going for a long walk without your phone, or just breathing deeply. And most importantly, you must protect your sleep architecture. Step 4. Optical framing and craniofacial aesthetics. Let's be realistic. Losing body fat and lowering systemic inflammation takes weeks, if not months, but you can radically improve the geometry and perceived thinness of your face starting today. It all comes down to optical illusions. The way your hair and facial hair are structured can instantly make a wide face look narrow or a round face look incredibly sharp. First, look at your haircut. If you have thick, puffy hair on the sides of your head, it adds width to your face, making your cheeks look chubbier. Ask your barber for a tight skin fade on the sides and keep the volume on the top. This elongates your face vertically and slims down your profile. Next, let's talk about facial hair. A messy, untamed neck beard completely hides whatever jawline you do have. Using a trimmer, carve a sharp, distinct line just above your Adam's apple to separate your jaw from your neck. Step 5. Biomechanical posture and presence. You could literally drop your body fat down to a shredded 10%, but if your biomechanical posture is broken, your face will still look fat. I am talking about forward head posture. We spend hours hunched over our phones, laptops, and steering wheels. The fix is instant. I want you to sit up straight, roll your shoulders down and back, lift your chest proudly toward the ceiling, and pull your entire neck backward into alignment with your spine. Notice what just happened. The skin under your jaw was instantly pulled tight like a drum. Incredible posture completely changes your energy and presence. When you carry yourself with absolute confidence, keeping your head elevated and your gaze steady, people perceive you as sharper and more dominant. Nobody in the real world is doing a mathematical calculation of your body fat percentage. They are reading the energy and presence you project into the room.